Hello students, once again we are going to now chapter 4 carbon and compounds. One the most important question in this chapter you can see here, that is explain cleaning action of soap, which is a 3-mark based question. Explain cleaning action of soap. How does a soap clean our dirty cloth? Generally we are habituated with this activity in our domestic life. So how the soap clean our cloth, that we have to understand or learn from this question. See here, I have given here shortly, but I will explain it. So you just shortly see what I have written. Two part of soap molecule. This is the soap molecule. You can see here soap molecule. This is I have given design of the soap molecule. There is one part is like this, one part is like that. This soap molecule two part. One part is known as the hydrocarbon part. Another is known as the ionic part. Hydrocarbon part means what? You can see here hydrocarbon part and ionic part. So ionic part and hydrocarbon part. Ionic part is known as the hydrophilic part. Hydrophilic means what? This part like the water. Hydro means water, philic means liking. So this part react with the water or like with the water, and this part of the submolecule does not like. So I have just given the mouse in different way. This is like that, means it is very angry with the water. It does not like to the water. So it is a hydrocarbon part which does not like the water. Hydrophobic. Hydro means water, phobic means fear. And this is ionic part which is hydrophilic. Hydro means water and philic means like. This like the water, this does not like the water. You can see how this part is very angry, do not like the water. Yeah, this is submolecule. Then submicely. What about the submicely? These are the important term here. What we explain. Submicely, it is the cluster of submolecule. When we put the soap into the water, the soap get dissolved into the water and changes into the molecular form like this form and suspended in the water. But the thing is that the soap molecule, they do not get isolate. They remain group wise. That group of soap molecule here you can see, that is called the micelle. And this is like this circular pattern they always arrange. Their ends are, you see, all the ends are outside. They are the hydrophilic end. They remain with the water because they like the water. And this end, this is the this end, this end, this end, this end. They are called the hydrophobic end. All the hydrophobic end project to the center, whereas hydrophilic end project to the outside. So these ends of the soap molecule remain with the water, and this end of the soap molecule comes out of the water because it does not like the water. And this group of soap molecule is known as micelle. That micelle, its main function is what? That clean the dirt from the cloth. So they clean the dirt from the cloth by a process known as the emulsification. I have discussed in nutrition chapter 6 emulsification. Here emulsification means what? This soap molecule, they just bring part of the dirt from our cloth. A big dirt is there. Suppose this is a oily spot. This is the oily spot. Then when we dip this cloth into the soap solution, like this micelle, so many micelle are there. One micelle will come and take a small part from the dirt. So breakdown or splitting of the big dirt molecule or oil molecule into smaller particle is known as the emulsification. So micelle's main work is emulsification, to make it small pieces to the dirt. So this is the soap molecule and this one. Let us see how does soap clean the cloth. So I have given here this point you have to mention. Now we have to go the process. When a dirty cloth, suppose this is the dirty cloth, is dipped into the soap solution. When we put the soap, so soap micelles are formed like this. Soap molecules. You see, these are the soap molecules are there in the water. Now, next what happens? This soap molecule make the cluster. I have told you here. The soap molecules will make a group soap molecule will be there. There are so many soap molecules completely present in the water. So they are called the micelle. Then when we take the cloth with dirty part and put into the soap solution, suppose this is the, you can see this is a shirt frock and having a dark, means that is called, where is this is the dirty part, this part I am showing you, this is the dirty part. Suppose chicken juice is there in the frock. Now when we dip this one, what happens? The soap molecules which are suspended in the water, they come and just cover single part of the dirty part. Suppose this there is dirty part like that. So one group will come to here, one group will come to here, one group will come to here, one group will come to here. So many groups, they will come and interact the dirty part with their at their center. In the center, the dirty part will be there. Now when we will see, you can see now. So then when we just dip and rub and rinse it, we just rub the cloth. When we rub the cloth, as this part is very stronger, this ionic part is very stronger with the water. It is just maintain the attraction force with the water and remain attached with the water. But this attachment, this hydrophobic end and the dirty part, they do not have like that attraction force. So when we rub, this micelle get detached from the cloth, taking a small part of the dirt at the center and suspended in the water. You can see this is suspended in the water. So dirt is coming, this is the soft micelle coming with the dirt at the center. So certain dirt will come out from here. Suppose this was the dirt, this will come here like that, and some dirt will may be there, but this dirt again cover with the again soft molecules, again soft molecules, again soft molecules, and then when we rub it, then this soft micelle again comes and remain in the water, remain in the water. This is another soft molecule, so that will remain in the water. So likewise, so all the dirty part of the cloth will one by one will come out and remain in the water, and they suspend in the solution, and cloth becomes free from the dirt. Very simple. So now shortly I am saying, that is when we put the cloth, dirty cloth, into the soap solution, the micelles which are suspended in the soap solution, they come and attach to the cloth with their hydrocarbon end to the dirty part. And when we rub it, then what happens? This dirty, the soap micelle get detached from the cloth, taking a small amount of dirt at their center. So likewise, when we continuously rinse and rub the cloth, more and more soap micelle comes to the cloth and attached to the dirty part, and again due to the rubbing and rinsing, they get detached and suspend in the water. So simultaneously, after a complete rubbing and rinsing the cloth, the micelle take all the dirt from the cloth and get into the soap, that is solution, and the cloth becomes free from the dirt. So this is the way by which soap clean the dirty cloth in our domestic life also. So this is, you have to prepare all this point, you have to take figure also you can draw. So this is about the cleaning action of the soap. Okay, next question we will discuss afterward. Till that, bye.